Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Mac OS and installing updates. This closes known security holes. Once done, disconnect from public Wi-Fi and plug in Ethernet, or enable your phone hotspot so you have a stable link. Next, open System Settings, go to Network, choose Wi-Fi, then Advanced. You do this to reveal saved networks, preferred order, and security details. This lets you remove unsafe profiles and prioritize secure networks immediately, reducing exposure while you proceed. You now harden network settings. Forget unknown or open SSIDs in the advanced Wi-Fi list so your Mac won't auto-join insecure hotspots. Then access your router and enable WPA2 or WPA3 with a passphrase of at least 12 characters. Do this because encryption prevents eavesdropping. Back on Mac OS, go to Security and Privacy and turn on the firewall. Then enable Stealth Mode to hide your Mac from unsolicited network probes. These steps, to finish, enable File Vault to encrypt your disk and disable automatic login so credentials are required after sleep. This protects data if the machine is stolen. When you must use untrusted Wi-Fi, turn on a reputable VPN to encrypt traffic. Test connectivity and DNS leaks to confirm it works. If connectivity or settings aren't applying, reboot the router and your Mac first. If that fails, reset the SMC and NVRAM. This fix often clears stubborn network configuration issues, so try it early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.